everybody. Good morning. This is Vance from Everett's Family Homestead, and we are in Texas. We are in this Stockyard, fixing to go walking.
Subscribe to Bob's channel.
Beautiful out here today. Not real hot, and we're gonna have a good time. And we'll be filming some on the way. Y'all have a good afternoon.
Reagan, say cheese. Hold it here. Look at me. You're so pretty.
A lot of cool stuff.
Look.
That's a really cool building. Did you see the horse up here?
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm talking about there's different things on the screen.
Oh, wow. That's gorgeous.
All this cool candy.
There.
All kinds of neat stuff. Jelly. Pretty cool shop. I need that.
Yep.
All my goats in.
Oh no, he's already got the pictures of the pictures.
Okay.
Y'all come to Texas, y'all need to come down here to Stockyard. There's my next project eventually.
Comes right down Main Street. I don't know if they bring it down there and around.
Trail Boss Burgers. It's a cool place.
Have you changed in your pocket?
Huh?
Have you changed in your pocket where she can ride the Longhorn?
No. You got any change in your pocket? No, neither.
again. Oh.
Like this. Reagan's riding the merry-go-round. KO Trading for Horse Stockyards. We'll do a cattle drive here.
I know.
Big old steers. They're coming here. Look at those horns.
They're social distancing.
What's amazing? Yes.
What's right?
You want one of those on the homestead? So Melanie says we're gonna have to get one of these for the homestead. I doubt it.
Zeke would like it.
Can you believe how big those horns are?
Some of them, but this one right there before. Long.
Look at that one. Holy cow.
It's a little one, right?
Look at the size of those horns.
Hey, work up and down.
Hello. This is my husband's phone. We're in Texas. He's not been on the phone.
Okay, look.
He said you just called
Plenty
me.
over here
I
for
said,
everybody. Plenty out here. Don't all of you rest out here at once. Okay?
Hope you enjoyed the Stockyard tour. We had to cut our vacation short, so we're back at the house now. We've got a baby, new grandbaby coming this weekend, and we didn't want to miss it, so we went ahead and left early. So anyway, Stockyards was pretty great. Texas was great, and they were right. Everything is bigger in Texas. Did you see those massive horns on those cows? Holy cow. No point intended. But anyway, we're gonna end this video out so we can start another one. And if you ain't subscribed, hit the subscribe button below. Like the video, share it. Helps our channel to grow, gets our content out there. And yeah, hope y'all have a wonderful day. We're gonna be doing some work around the house, so on my next video. So hope you join and watch it too. Alright, well, I'll holler at you later.